Amibroker. And I also like the brute force optimization because it reminds me of what I did. Like for the index strategies, I basically built an environment in Excel and VBA, which did a rolling forward brute force optimization. Like you have this window, so every week the parameters were re-optimized, and then you had like that's like a weakness of Amibroker for the brute, like for the walking forward. It also takes the peak performance, and my optimization process took the most stable area.
Mm.
So yes, there's a difference, but yeah, learning how to use walking forward with Amibroker, doing the brute force optimization, and realizing that there's a lot of powerful tools inside. Yes.